This is a no-brainer. The performance of Easydry is great for me because it is absorbent. It's more absorbent than cotton. We're in Knightsbridge. This is a very premium spot to be in, and it's very expensive. So I can't have, you know, lots of machines and stuff. So from that point of view, they're easy to store and it's disposable, and like I said, it's biodegradable and it's hygienic. I'm not in the salon a lot. My business partner's here a lot. And I've just always said to her, now look, we've got to get these towels out the salon. It's clogging up time. It's taken all the time from my assistants. And to the team, that's important because when a salon is busy, you can't be running around. And this is very easy to store because I can keep it by my backwash, I can keep it by the cupboard. And some of our colorists actually, they keep them in their aprons. From our point of view of spending lots of money on laundry, it saves us a huge bill. So that to me is the icing on the cake. But the great thing about this as well, people see you're using new capes and it's not the same old towel and it's not the same old synthetic cape. So I love it. I've just been told there's 43 million towels washed a year, and that's just in the UK. That's incredible. It's archaic. It's old-fashioned. We need to move forward. Easydry is the way forward.